So DJI came out with a new drone called the Mavic Air. Let's check it out. They put it up already on the website so you can buy it. I think I'm gonna buy it. It looks like the Spark with the Mavic. It's foldable. Has new features that has me thinking of buying it and soon doing an unboxing. I wouldn't mind this new 3D. It's kind of like 3D-ish, the sphere panoramas. It looks sick. What do you guys think? Comment below. If you could get a picture like this in one of your travel, while you're traveling. Nice. It has me hooked. I kind of like it. The price is a little bit higher than what I think. Maybe because of the technology, but it's like Spark 2.0. Just hit buy it now. So I kind of like the red one, the flaming red. Looks sick for $7.99 with a fly more combo for $9.99. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to add this to the cart. Well, $89 for DJI Care Refresh. It looks good enough. All right, guys. Hey, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my videos. And till next time. Thanks again. I'll hit confirm and doing my payments. Hopefully by next week or in 2 weeks I have the drone. Thanks again for watching. Peace.